Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find any product on Amazon using only photo. No name and no description needed. Let's get started. For that, first of all, open up the Amazon application and make sure you're signed in to your account. At the very top, you'll see a search bar. Beside it, tap on this camera-like icon and make sure you have the camera access granted to Amazon. Here you'll see two options. Either take a photo of the product in front of you or upload any existing photo from your gallery by tapping on upload. Once you upload or snap your picture, Amazon will analyze the image and show you matching or similar product instantly. You'll see options with different brand, colors or prices all based on your photo. Now once you find the product, tap onto it to view the details, review and prices. Then you can add them to your cart. This feature also works great for home decor, clothing, tech gadget, or mystery items you see online or in real life. Just snap a picture and you can find it instantly on Amazon. That's it. That is how you can find any product on Amazon using only a photo. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.